Okay, welcome Steff.
Welcome, Karl.
What are we going to offer?
Well, very often when you're giving a presentation or doing a training, running a workshop, or when you're presenting, you want to visualize something. And very often people find it very hard to put something in paper, and they feel reluctant to put something on paper.
They don't dare to draw,
So,
actually.
that's
What
why-
will people think about this?
Yeah.
And we will change this mindset with a
Absolutely.
toolbox full of techniques.
Yeah, very handy, practical techniques that everybody can use, starting with the basic shapes and quickly moving on to even drawing cartoons or drawing more complex, schematics or illustrations and so on and so on.
So, with all those techniques that we offer you, you will be able to make your own visuals on flip charts, even on your
Whiteboards,
whiteboards,
iPads.
etc. So we give you the techniques that you don't have to think anymore. You will do it spontaneously. And it's not about the art to draw, it's about start to draw.
The training is filled with about 30, even more than 30 little workshops where you will be training the techniques and with a lot of exercises as well, so that you can really have the kinesthetic element, so the usefulness in your arm and your hands and your wrists and your fingers to be able to draw anything.
So, I invite you to have a lot of fun with more than 30 videos in this Start to Draw course, and that you enjoy what you're doing as a trainer, as a coach, as a facilitator, as an entrepreneur, as a therapist, as a manager, as a teacher. So enjoy drawing.
Okay, so we wish you all the fun.
Have fun.